Hello, dear Libra. This is your last week's June exclusive love reading plus career reading. So, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. Your cards are already out, so without wasting time, we are going to begin. I also take personal readings, rituals, and counseling sessions. So, if you want to know more about that, please stay tuned till the end. Let's start with your love life. You've got the astrologer and the Pepes card. This shows me that you are a very active person, right? You have always been very careful also in making the right choices in your personal life, like who to choose, who not to choose. If you are in a relationship or marriage, there is no major changes that is going to happen in your life. This week is going to be more or less smooth for you. And if you're single, you're still going to be single this week because you are being very choosy, and rightly so. Like you are very wise and you do not want to make impulsive decisions. No matter if all your friends are married, no matter how much pressure your family is putting on you, I do see that you're still not giving in to that pressure. You're still taking your own sweet time. You're still making the right decision, conscious choices in your life, who you want to spend life with or not. That kind of important decision is still on you. Even if your parents are showing you some sort of offers of boys and girls, I do see that majorly the decision really lies on you, right? Nobody has a say in that kind of decision. Only you have it. And yes, you have to rely more on your intuition. So no matter if everyone else around you is saying that, oh, he's such a good guy and you should say yes, or she's so pretty, you should say yes. No, if your intuition says that no, something is off, or we are not connecting, we are not vibing, please do not go ahead with that. Rely on your intuition, because this week your intuition is going to be your best friend in your personal relationships. For relationship people and marriage people, it's a happy, smooth week. No major fights are happening. Nothing major changes are happening. It's going to be, see, no good news. No news is also good news, right? So this is going to be that week for you guys. Let's see what's happening in your career now. There's major things happening. You've got the 10 of moons and the 10 of suns. So you could be seeing 10 10. I also see 2 2 for you. So please do Google the meaning of 10 10 and 2 2, because sometimes 10-10 is different for career, 10-10 is different for love. Okay, and sometimes there's a general message altogether there is, but this 10-10 has come in your career, so please make sure that you Google it. I do see that this week you have to maintain your bank balance, which means focus on the savings. Do not spend impulsively because you're going to need it. In your work, I do see that a lot of people are plotting against you. There's a lot of politics that is going on, Libra, and you have to protect yourself. You have to stand your ground and you will have to be strong. A lot of people will be false witnessed, or will bear false witness against you. Like I saw them doing something when you actually did not do anything, just to defame you, just to snatch your position from you, or just to uh, put a blame on you for whatever reasons, for whatever personal grudges they hold against you, or professional grudges they hold against you, whether you are on a business or in a job. This applies to all of you. You have to be very, very careful. There are no office friends as such, at least not this week. Protect yourself, protect the information, do not share much, because anyone can use against you, and you don't even know who these people are. And it's not one person in your work, there are many people, and it's not that all of them are together versus you. No, it can be one person has a different grudge against you, two people have other grudges, four people have other grudges, right? So it's that kind of week, and maybe some of them you're aware of and some you're not. So please make sure that you're protecting yourself. Endure this week, be strong. Let this week pass, and probably your next week will be better, because this does talk about a passing phase. Even if people are saying wrong things to you, you have to trust yourself that you are not wrong. So please trust yourself above all. This is going to be a challenging week for you when it comes to your career, but your love life or personal relationships more or less are smooth this week, so thank God for that. And this was your last week reading. So if you guys resonated with it, please do like, share and subscribe my channel. Comment and let me know which situation you actually resonated with, and I will be reading and replying to all of you. since this was a general reading, all of your answers must not have been answered. So if you do have that specific question on your mind, I take personal readings as well. You can book a personal reading with me. If you have multiple questions, you can take a love package or career package or singles package. There is a free remedy in each package as well. There are different love readings for no contact, for new connections as well. I have rituals as well. So if you feel very blocked in certain area, you can book rituals for yourself, or counseling sessions. So if you think you need counseling sessions one-on-one, where you want a heart-to-heart conversation, audio video call sessions are also available. And yes, with the help of your angels, you will be given a guidance here as well. I do have these sessions available on Instagram, Google Meet and Zoom. And to book any session, you can either email me at asthasharma842@gmail.com, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram handle, which is the Moksha Tarot. And guys, please follow me on Instagram, because here I'll be meeting you weekly. There on a daily basis, you will even know what all services are available on my channel, what are the prices, because I keep putting the prices in my stories, different range of prices, so you can choose according to your own budget. Mm, then when is my channel closed, when is the new service coming up, when am I coming live, all these things will be mentioned over there. So please do follow me on Instagram and do subscribe here to show some love. So thank you so much for watching my channel, and this was your last week's reading. Please follow the tips and tricks given to you, so that this week is smoother. Okay, so take care of yourself, and we are going to see each other very soon. Bye bye.